Hey everyone, welcome to this YouTube tutorials where I will show you how to hide your YouTube subscriber count. Well, first thing is first, you want to go to youtube.com and then you want to come to this top right corner. You want to click on this and you want to go to YouTube Studio, and then you want to come down here where it says settings, right? You want to click on it and you want to come straight here to my channel, like channel, and you want to come to advanced settings. You click on it and you want to scroll down a little bit. All right, right here was where it used to say hide your YouTube subscriber count, but ever since the last update, they changed everything. So basically, on YouTube, you cannot hide your subscribers count anymore. Yeah, that's how it is now. Yeah, too bad. That's how it is now. But yeah, I will keep you updated if anything comes up. But in the meantime, on YouTube, you can no longer hide your YouTube subscribers count. I kind of understand though, because if you have a new YouTube channel, of course, you want to hide your subscribers. So most people feel like they need to hide their subscribers. So this is where this option comes in where you can hide it. But unfortunately, after the new updates from YouTube, you can no longer hide your YouTube subscribers. Yeah. But if anything comes up, I'll be the first to let you know. So please hit the subscribe button. And I hope you find this helpful anyway. And don't forget to like for more videos like this. All right. Catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.